All right, y'all, let's talk through naming some 3D points as well as calculating their distance at midpoint. I realize that some of you may be hearing this instruction for the first time. Others of you have been in class and have heard instruction, but there may be some problems that you just need some extra help with, or you need to hear it explained a different way. So let's go. All right, point B does not move forward or backward. It does move 1, 2, 3, 4 in the negative y direction, and then it moves up 1, 2 in terms of height. Point C has moved forward 1, 2, 3. It moves 1, 2, 3, negative 4, and it does not move up or down for the Z, so that's a 0. Point D, all right, does not move forward or backward on X, but is over here at the negative 4 for the Y, and it does not move up or down on Z-axis. Point E has come forward 3. It does not move left or right on the Y-axis. It does move up 2 in terms of the height. Point F, there's no X, there's no Y, simply going 2 up in terms of height. Point G has come forward 3, does not move left or right on the Y-axis, and it does not move up or down for height. Point H, oh, that is the origin. Okay. Now over here, we're asked to calculate the distance between point A and point E. So I'm going to use the 2 given points here in my formula, and I'm going to let point E be the second of the 2. So I'm going to take X minus X, Y minus Y, 0 minus negative 4 would be 4, and 2 take away 2. So really, I've just got square root of 16, which is 4. Calculate the distance between F and H. Okay, so this one is interesting because we're working with the origin, and point F is going to be 0 take away 0 squared, 0 take away 0 all squared, and then 2 take away 0 squared. So square root of 4 is 2. Find the midpoint between C and G. All right, so C and G. All right, here we go. We're going to average the X's, average the Y's, average the Z's. So that'll be 6 over 2, negative 4 over 2, and 0 over 2. All right, let's try another. All right, point A does not move forward or backward on X. It moves in the Y direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it moves up a height of 1. For point C, does not move forward or backward on X. It moves the negative 4 to the left on Y, and it has no height. For point D, All right, so he has moved backwards 2, left 4, and there's no height. Okay. Then point E does not move forward or backward or left or right, but it does move up 1. Point F does not go left or forward or backward, X and Y. One moment. It does move backward 2. Okay, there we go. Then it does not move left or right on Y. It does move up 1. Point G is the origin. Point H does not move forward. Oops, it does. It moves backwards. -2. It does not move left or right. And it does not move up or down. Okay, so distance between B and E. B and E. All right, I'm going to let E be my x2. Working with our distance formula. Okay. So, let's see if I can get all this in there. I'm going to have 0 minus -2. That'll be a +2. I'll have 0 take away -4. It's a +4. 1 take away 1 will be 0. So that gets us 4 plus 16. It's going to be square root of 20. And I do not have a calculator with me. Get the decimal approximation there, rounded 2 places. All right, distance between C and F. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to let F be my second point. So that'll be -2 take away 0. It'll be 0 take away -4. So that's actually a +4. And 1 take away 0. All right, so what do we have here? We've got 4. This is going to be 16. And that's going to be +1. So this will be square root of 21, which will be a number slightly larger. Okay. Here we go. We've got 4.47 and 4.58. Okay, midpoint for A and H. All right, average the x's, so 0 plus -2 over 2, -4 plus 0 over 2, and 1 plus 0 over 2. Alrighty, so that gives us a -2 over 2 is -1, -4 over 2 is -2, and 1 over 2 is going to stay a half, and it's okay to leave that as a fraction. That's your midpoint. All right, I hope that is helpful.